Yankee 5 station again?
Okay, Yankee 5, Kilo Tango Mike.
Yankee 5, Kilo Tango Mike. You are 5'9", 20 plus. 5'9", 20 plus. Very strong into the state of Massachusetts. Name here is Jeff. Juliet Echo, Fox, QSL?
Okay, Jeff, thank you for the 5'9 plus. You're also 59 plus 20 here in Caracas, Venezuela. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee, QSL.
Okay, thank you very much, Tony. Once again, you're very strong and very nice audio.
Okay, thank you, Jeff. I'm running Icon 7600, 100 watts, and Alpha Delta Dipole Lima Bravo. This is my condition here, QSL.
QSL, roger. I'm running a Yaesu Fox Tango 950 at about 500 watts into a G5 RV.
Okay, Jeff, thank you for the QSL, and I hope to copy again. November Tango 1, Kilo Yankee 5, Kilo Tango Mike. 73, bye-bye.
73, and thank you for coming back, Tony, and have a good night. QRZ DX, November Tango 1 Kilo.